Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a black screen in Capcut, so let's get started right away. So what you want to do first is add some clips into this box. You can just drag them or to here or import them. So what I've chosen is this clip. You can add it to the track and also other clip, and as you can see I cannot drag it because we have to turn off one option, and that is this one. This is turning off the main track magnet. So if I click on that, I can just do this and it won't go back like that. So actually, so if I play now, we get a black screen, and that's what we want, and then it just continues like this. You can also do it in the other track, but you generally you just want to have it like this. Yeah, that's option one. What you can also do is just add a black picture in it. So what you want to do for that is just go to Google. You can search for a black image. Yeah, and then you can add it to the track. Just put it in between and for how long you want it. You can see it's a black screen. And that's basically how you do it, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.